Wazzap! After going to the ticket office or ticket box, they call it here, you have to fill out a form of declaration, something like boarding declaration. There are two terminals at my back, the Terminal 1 and Terminal 2, and we were assigned to Terminal 2 and we're boarding at 13:00. So let's go up. We're not inside the crew. No. Okay. Sorry. Wala mo siya kasabi. Ito. Bakit man si Yarmani? Uy! Departing! Yes! We ate our brunch. Ito, sort of breakfast naman pala here in Ashley Eland Cruise, and it's almost 15 or 14,000 Korean won per head. So basically mga around 700 pesos siya sa Philippine peso siya. And super sulit, guys. And it's parang, let's say, di ba yung mga ganung buffet, it's just same with yaki mix. And so, pero this one, mas better siya talaga, as in, ang solid ng mga food. Hindi siya yung parang pang buffet kind of quality ng food. Especially the waffle, the rice, it's premium, and even the cheese, it's good. And meron pa din akong coffee. And also, guys, they do have red wines here. It's dry red wine, even sweet red wine, which is, we know, diba, in-offer lang yan sa Vikings. Pero alam ko, may payment for Vikings if you got red wines. If not, unless if you go to NIU, which is included na yun. But NIU is about 1,500 plus or minsan 1,700 depending on the day na nag-visit ka ng store nila. Pero for its price, sobrang must try. DIY waffles. They do have tapioca. I got mine now. Oh, very nice. 4 kinds of rice in a plate. Senpai! Cheers!
That is a grapes.
Trumpa pala, guys. Yan. You also have that kind of view pag kumain ka dito. So, if you do have the luxury of time to visit Eland Cruise, go ahead and visit this place because it is highly recommended. Busog na nga ako, pero kain pa rin ako ng kain kasi sulit talaga eh. And it's good. Hindi lang yung para masabi mo na you have to consume kung ano yung binayaran mo. But it's more of, I have consumed more than what I have paid. I mean, what mom had paid and dad had paid for. Yeah, sarap talaga, guys. So, anyway, if you haven't eaten a heavy breakfast, huwag kayo mag-straight ahead sa red one, which I did kanina kasi mali. I forgot, wala nga palang heavy food sa tummy ko and it makes me a bit dizzy kanina. At least after eating, I was able to recover already kasi nga mali. So, yun. I don't know if I'll get another red wine or maybe the sweet potato, which is so good. It is actually sweet potato with a cheese topping on the top na parang nilagyan nila ng cheese on it. It's must try as well.
Art, may akong maganda doon ayun, tignan mo.
Sino maganda siya?
Ayun.
Ayun. May gwapo din, oh. May maganda din. Ayun, oh. Di ba? Hindi ko na alam.
Alam mo ba, di ba yata?
Keep smiling, keep fighting, always be a blessing. Bye guys!